How to open NatWest bank account online for international students. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to open your NatWest bank account online for as an international student. So for that you need to come to the official website of netwest.com, and after that under the personal section you will be able to see the different options like products, help, support, you and your money, banking with us, and other options. So under the products section you will be able to see the option called bank accounts. Just simply hover your cursor over there, and under which you will be able to see the bunch of different account options that the NatWest offers you. So you can click on see all your bank accounts, everyday, reward, student bank account, another option. I would suggest you to click on see all our bank accounts, and it will redirect you to the page where you can see all different types of bank accounts that NatWest offers you as if you want to open different bank accounts over here. But the most famous one is the student bank account in the NatWest. So just simply tap on it, and in order to create the NatWest student account as an international student in UK, you need to fulfill certain criteria that you should be living in UK for at least 3 years, and there are some other criterias as well. That you just do some research of yours and find out which bank account suits your needs particularly for which you are opening the bank account. And once you are satisfied and you have all the documents and fulfilled the criteria for opening the bank account, just simply click on continue to student bank account, and you can see that there are certain criteria to apply. You must be 17 plus and have been living in UK for at least 3 years. This will be applicable for online applications only, and you have to confirm that you are a student and eligible for this account, and you need to require your 16-digit UCAS code, and the course in the UCAS code which might not be eligible for certain students. So you need to check whether you comes under this criteria or not, and you need to be fulfill all time undergraduate students, and you need to read through all these criteria before you apply. And once you find out that you fulfill all these criteria, just simply click on ready to apply, and in which you will see there are different things that you need to follow, different documentation and other things. Simply click on continue, and it will ask you different questions before you get started to fill the actual form. So it asks you, do we already know you? So if whether you are an existing customer in the NatWest or not. So just simply fill these things, and just make sure that you are filling them right. The information that you provide over here should be 100% correct. And once you are all set, you just simply click on start your application, and it will open up another window where you have to fill up the online application form in order to be able to open up your account. And once you have opened up your account and you have filled in all these details, then after submitting your application to the NatWest, after filling in the details and the criterias, so as you can see that the form has opened up on my screen, and the same way the form will open up and at your screen as well. Just fill in all these details and submit your application, and once the application has been submitted, you just simply have to wait for few days. It will usually take up to 7 to 10 business days, and until then you have to wait patient, because NatWest will verify your application and will go through the documentation that you have submitted. And once your application get approved, you will be able to receive your debit card and your account details in your email, and from there you are good to go basically. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to open NatWest bank account online for as an international student. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.